Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So right now I am gonna be doing a makeover on my lovely sister right here. We're starting off with the brows per usual, and I am taking the Morphe brow pencil in the color Java to fill in her brows. I like to fill in brows very naturally. My sister also requested that her brows look as natural as possible, so I am doing that, as you can see. So I'm filling them in. Now I'm taking a flat concealer brush. I believe it is the Morphe's M410, and I am taking Maybelline's Better Skin concealer in the color light medium, and I'm carving out her brows. Now I'm putting the concealer, which is the Maybelline Better Skin in light medium, and I'm using that concealer as a primer to prime the lids as well as conceal any discolorization she may have in the lids. The brush I'm using is from Morphe. I got it last year in a holiday set, and it's not numbered. I don't know if they sell this, but that's the brush I'm using currently for placing the concealer. So using the same brush, I am going to set her entire lids with translucent powder. The translucent powder that I'm using is from MAC. It was a collaboration with Patrick Starr called Patrick's Powder, I believe, and I'm just setting all over the lids so you don't get any creasing. And I like doing this because it creates a smooth canvas and it allows me to apply eyeshadow smooth and nice. Love this technique. MAC doesn't do this palette anymore. This is from their Patrick Starr holiday collection from I think 2 years ago, but they do sell the color individually. I'm taking the color soft brown as the first transitional color, and I'm taking a eyeshadow blending brush from Pure Cosmetics. I don't even know if they have this brush anymore. This brush is literally 9 years old. So I'm placing this just above the crease, and I'm doing a back and forth wind swiper motion just to blend out that first transitional properly. So using the same brush, I'm going in with the color Swiss Chocolate, and I am placing that just below the transitional, and I'm starting right in the outer corners first, building the color in and then sweeping it into the crease area. And I'm just going back and forth just to give me a really nice even blend. So I'm taking the Morphe 35O palette, going in with that brown color right there, using my M433 brush. I am still working that outer corner and bringing it into the crease area as well, just to deepen the eyeshadow and to add more definition to the eyes. Then going in with that deeper shade, same brush, and I'm just working that outer corner just to add definition to the eyes. So using my ColourPop concealer brush, I am placing concealer right in the center of the eyelid. Obviously I'm creating a halo look, so this is the steps that you do in order to, get the look. Now going back with that deepest brown color, I'm taking this brush from Morphe that I got from that holiday set, which is not numbered, and I don't think that they sell this anymore, but I'm just going over the edges with that darker brown of the concealer, just to give it like this really nice gradient look. So with my e.l.f. shadow brush, I'm taking that gold shimmer color and I'm placing that just on top of that eyeshadow that I placed in the center. So I'm going back with that brush and going in with that deeper shade. I'm just blending out the edges and taking away all the harsh lines that I may create when placing that gold shimmer color in the center. Taking my NYX glitter in the color bronze, I am placing that just on top of the center. The primer I use is from Hard Candy. It's sort of like a liquid primer, which helps with the fallout if you decide to get it. I'll leave a link down below if you're interested, but it really prevents any fallouts. I really like this primer for glitter. Now going back in with that deep brown from the 35O palette, I am just adding a little bit more color in the edges of that halo, as well as blending out the edges as well. Now I'm taking my NYX liquid matte liner and I'm just aligning her lash line. Now I'm prepping her skin. I'm using the MAC Strobing Cream in Gold Light, and I'm using that as a base for her face, as well as a primer for the foundation. Now I'm using the Bobbi Brown foundation. I forgot what it's called and I forgot the shade, but I'll leave it down in the description box down below. And I'm taking my Real Techniques foundation brush and I'm just blending and buffing in that foundation into the skin. Now I am putting falsies into her lash line. The style of this lashes is called, I believe, Drama Queen, and it is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. So I'm taking the MAC foundation stick in the color NW55, yes, 55, and I am just cream contouring her face pretty much. And I am trying this new technique with contouring the nose. It was an epic fail, but I tried. I'm not really good at contouring the nose. That's something that I really need to practice a lot on. But I'm happy that I tried it. I know that there's some improvements that needs to be done. And sorry guys, I know I'm working on it. I'm working on it. Now I'm taking the ColourPop concealer in the color medium dark, and I am just, concealing her face as well as highlighting her face as well. So taking that Patrick's powder from MAC, I am setting underneath her eyes and any place that I feel that needs to be set, pretty much in the center of her face, as well as highlight as well. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. So I'm taking MAC's Studio Fix pressed powder in the color C6 and I'm just setting all over the face. Now I'm taking Morphe's bronzer in the color Vlogger and I'm just bronzing up the face as well as setting the cream contour in all the places that I placed it into the face. Now I'm going in with blush, and the color blush I am going into is the color Rebel Fleur from MAC, and then I'm taking that highlighter from e.l.f. I did a review on that, so it will be down in the description bar down below, and I'm just highlighting the face. Yeah. Now going in with that first brown shade that I used in the 35O palette, I'm just sweeping that color underneath the waterline, and I'm using a Jaclyn Hill times Morphe brush. I forgot what it's called. Like I said, it will be down in the description bar down below. So I'm taking MAC's lip liner in the color Cork and I'm lining her lips. Now with a random lip brush, I am taking Morphe's lipstick in the color Forever, which is one of my favorite lipsticks from Morphe. I like using this on my clients a lot, my brides as well. It's just a really beautiful nude pink, which is really pretty. taking my Morphe's Continuous Mist Spray, setting her face, and there you have it, guys. This is my fall inspired makeup tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in a few days with another video. Bye guys.